Anyone who spends time building, repairing, carving, or crafting knows the struggle of trying to hold a workpiece steady while also getting the perfect angle. That's where a new tool called the AxiGlide Vise is trying to change the game. Instead of working like a traditional fixed vise, this one adds full movement in multiple directions, making it feel a lot more flexible and easier to use during detailed projects. The AxiGlide comes from Hong Kong-based company Vogue, and it's currently getting attention on Kickstarter thanks to its unusual dual-axis design. The vise can rotate a full 360 degrees thanks to a built-in turntable mount, and it also tilts up to 90 degrees. That means users can quickly move a project from a flat horizontal position to a vertical one without constantly unclamping and repositioning everything by hand. For hobbyists, makers, and anyone doing precision work, that could make a huge difference. Instead of awkward wrist angles or leaning over your desk trying to see what you're doing, the vise lets you bring the project right into the best viewing position. Whether you're soldering electronics, carving details, assembling small parts, or drilling at tricky angles, the extra movement gives you much better control. The main body weighs about 4.9 pounds and has a fairly compact footprint, so it won't take over an entire workspace. Vogue says the vise is made from aluminum alloy, while the bearings, threaded components, and brake system use stainless steel for extra durability. One of the more interesting features is the interchangeable jaw system. The standard setup includes pin jaws in different sizes that can grip odd-shaped objects more easily than normal flat clamps. There are also parallel jaws for flat surfaces and fractal jaws designed specifically for irregular objects. The fractal version even offers different materials depending on the job. Aluminum panels are meant for tougher metal parts, while softer PEEK panels help protect delicate components from scratches or damage. The vise also includes 3 different operating modes. In free spin mode, the vise moves smoothly without restriction, letting users rotate or tilt a project freely until it's in the perfect position. Index precision mode locks movement into precise 6-degree increments using a 60-position indexing system. That's especially useful for accurate drilling, carving, or off-angle assembly work, where repeatable positioning matters. Then there's full lock mode, which completely secures the vise in place for jobs that need maximum stability. Switching between these modes is designed to be quick and simple using spring-loaded controls, so users can move from free movement to locked precision without slowing down their workflow. The AxiGlide Vise Standard package with the pin jaw set is currently available through Kickstarter for a pledge of $239, with several color options available. Vogue says shipping is planned for September as long as production and funding goals stay on track. The expected retail price after launch is listed at $398. For people who work on detailed projects regularly, this could end up being one of those tools that completely changes how a workbench feels to use. The combination of rotation, tilt control, modular jaws, and precision locking gives it a very different approach compared to the standard vise most hobbyists are used to seeing.